What are your top tips for absence management?
My first top tip would be having an absence management policy which you communicate to all staff. You also, like I mentioned before, need to communicate with staff members throughout their period of absence so you understand when they may be fit to return to work. Other things that you need to do when they return to work is hold a return to work interview. So you can have an informal meeting, a formal meeting, have a form, however you want to do it. This will be included in your absence management policy. But sit down. When the employee returns to work, it's important you sit down with the employee to do a return to work meeting. Ask the employee if they're fit to return to work, if there's any medication that they may be on that will affect their job, and also find out if they will need to see their GP or consultant again. Find out as much information so you're aware of what impacts this may have on their work. It's also important to record and monitor. Record and monitor in absence data so you can see any patterns. So an employee may be off Mondays or Fridays, for instance, on a regular basis, and you can highlight these patterns to the employee. Other things that you may want to look at are things that you can do to be proactive to reduce absence. So these may be looking at employee engagement, doing employee surveys, and making sure the employees want to come to work in the first place.